All right, well, welcome back to Seller Blogs. This is step number 10, and we are almost there. The last time we talked, we got through the appraisal and loan docs, and everything was moving along smoothly. The CD, which is the buyer's closing disclosure, was reviewed with the buyers. We understood everything was approved. They had 3 business days to review that. Well, guess where we are today, guys? Say hi, Michelle.
Hi, good morning.
And so Billy and I, there's Billy. He's that husband you guys have been hearing about. Well, we are here at the title company right now at Empire West Title because we are signing our closing docs. And what that entails is that we're going to go over all of the documentation that a seller has to review when they are signing that deed over to the new owners. Talks about the title work, etc. And one of the things that we had to review as the Fry team was the closing settlement statement. We wanted to make sure that the fees that were being charged were correct, and that if there were anything that we had to pay was paid. And if not, well, we had to make sure we had a cashier's check here today. And what was one of the things I told you to make sure you had with you, honey? In your wallet?
Oh, my driver's license.
Yes, make sure you have your driver's license with you. That is very, very important because you're going to sign some documents and it's going to be notarized. So that's what we're going to do today, and it's lots of paperwork. Look, guys. But you know what? Once it's done, then we wait and see for the funding. So stay tuned on what happens next. Thanks again for tuning in.